What's up, everybody? Dale here from Mad Bowtie Garage. Today we're going to do a little something different. We got up this morning and it was snowing, so today we're going to go up to High Knob in Virginia with the Jeeps and see if we can't get a little riding in and get a little footage for y'all. So we're going to head out there and see if we can't play around a little bit and see what happens. So here we go. Everybody, we made it back home, so we had a blast today up on High Knob playing in the snow. We had my aunt with us and another Jeep, so it's always a good idea if you're going up in the woods and the mountains and it's snowing and rough like that, have a couple people with you just in case something happens. But we hope you guys enjoyed it, so just keep liking, sharing, and subscribing for more content. Don't know what we're going to be doing next time. I have to get with the guys and see, but like I said, we appreciate y'all watching, and just give us a like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time here on Mad Bowtie Garage. We gone.